Welcome to the video of HTML. This is the sixth video, and in this video we will learn about form element. HTML form elements. So I am just defining here basic HTML elements that are input, label, text area, button. There are lot many. First, take the example of input elements. How can we define it? Just take a small example defining head, title, head close, body, form start. Then I'm just taking the h1 input because this is the headings so that we can see what program is related to. Now here I'm taking input, name, input, type is text because I just want the text button. So I'm taking the text, and I told you every time we have to take the name because there can be several text boxes. And after that I used BR just for giving the space. Now second I am taking a button, type will be button, input is element, and these are the attributes, type button, name we have to take, and whatever value we will take, it will be shown inside the command button. So whatever command button we are taking, that submit your input will be displayed on that command button. Now form close, body close, HTML close. Now see the result. The value is coming here, name it is coming here, and this text box will be generated. Now we want because this is single line and we are taking just single line. If we want the multiple line, it can happen that we want the address. So for taking the address, we just want more than one line. So in that case, we have to use text area. This is also a tag. Name we have to take, and here two more attributes are there. Rows and columns we have to take, and whatever we can this is just a display will be. Default only, it will be display multi-line text element, and whenever we input something on that, it will be removed automatically. So in this way we can take multi-line in text input also. Next, label. As we have taken in the previous, we have taken the name label, but there can be multiple labels, so we can also define it with the help of simple example. Let us see this. Now we can see I have taken the label and for, because here type is text and ID will be same as whatever we have taken here in the for. So it will display like this. It means that this ID is related to, this label is related to this ID. Next, input type radio. We will take the radio whenever we want to select only one option out of many. So this is a simple program. Because gender we have to select only one, either it can be a male or female. So we have to take the same name, otherwise it will not display the correct result. So type will be radio and name will be Jan for the both, and value we have to take whatever value we will take, it will display it there. Okay, and this male and female will be on the web page. Just see here the result. Radio, gender will be here, male and female. Okay, this will be shown male and female. Similarly, let's take the next one. Input type checkbox. In the checkbox, we have the capability to select multiple options. Like this is a simple example. Here I am taking the qualification. Input will be checkbox, and name we have to take the different names, and the value I have taken here MTech, MCA, because we can have multiple qualifications. So for that purpose we need checkbox. See the result here. Qualification, MTech, BTech. So we can select both. So this is the difference between radio and checkbox button. Next, your select element. Because in the select we can select from multiple options, there will be drop down. So here we can create by this. H1 I have taken, ID I have taken, qualification, name, because as I told, for every tag we have to take the name here, and because in the select I have told you we have to create a drop down, so there can be multiple options. So I am taking here this one, third option, fourth option, and select end. This is form end and body close. Now see the result. A drop down will be like this. If you click on this, it will be drop. That's why it is called as drop down. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like it. Click on the like. Share this video. And at last, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.